In 2020, the pandemic coronavirus affected the entire world, and people were suffering. People were also succumbing to this pandemic. The COVID 19 virus absolutely spread to the lungs of people, and there were respiratory issues all around. Now, that was also the time where people were also suffering financially. There were a lot of job cuts. There were a lot of people who were getting out of jobs and were forced to have a life of complete hardship. Now, if I talk to you about my parents were also suffering for many, many years before COVID 19 through a lot of diverse health issues. Following the introduction of COVID 19, there was one more suffering in the form of finances. What happened was we had too much reliance on Western medicine, but Western medicine could do only one thing. Western medicine could only cure you of that particular ailment, but that used to be doses and doses of antibiotics and steroids. It was during COVID 19 period that I got triggered to learn more about energy healing. What are the other ways than Western medicine to help people heal, not just cure a particular disease, but to heal the body as a whole, a holistic healing that we talk in the yogic system. It was then that I came across yoga, Tai Chi, Qigong, Reiki, as well as pranic healing. Now, I am a pranic healing practitioner as well as a Reiki healer, and I also practice yoga and Qigong in my daily life. Now, this has been the trigger point of me knowing more about energy healing. And when I started learning energy healing, the more I learned, I found out that this knowledge can't only be with me alone. Of course, there were a lot of people other learnings as well, but the people who actually come to learn energy healing is absolutely very small. A small population, not even 1/4 of the population of the world. So, the purpose of this Karma Yogis program is to give you that knowledge which I have learned. I have spent a lot of money in the workshops, which is over 1 lakh easily. But I want to give it to you, all the fundamental principles in this particular Karma Yogis program. So that's what my journey has been. And my journey has only been about 3 things, which I mentioned in the previous video: learning, implementing, and teaching.